Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna share to you a tutorial on how to trim a video in Capcut. So as you can see here, I've already opened the Capcut apps and then add a video that I want to edit. And this, I'm going to show you how to trim a video. So trim a video is like you cut the middle part of the video, and then I'm going to show you how. So first, let's play the video, and then when you find a part that you want to trim, for example this one, click on the video and then click on split, and then play again and split again. So for example, you want to delete this little part of the video, you can just click on this part and then click on delete. So just like that, you has been successfully trimmed the video. Okay, so that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all next video. Bye bye.